The following message is transmitted at the request of the Michigan State Police Department. A 2D sentient stick figure is going around and supergluing face masks in conspiracy nut jobs who claim that the coronavirus does not exist. It seems that this stick figure is actually from the YouTube channel Professor Stick. He is an awesome guy who debunks pseudoscience and conspiracy bullshit. Before I continue, Scansoft Tom is now in rehab with all voice. You conspiracy nutcases have drove both of them to alcohol and drugs. You sick motherfuckers. I hate you. Anyways, Professor Stick has glued masks on over 800 conspiracy theorists. Honestly people, I support Professor Stick in his quest and I urge you to watch his content and subscribe to his channel. Got to go. I will join the professor in gluing masks on people.